Hello, my wonderful viewers. I'm back with another exciting recipe for you, chicken korma. It's a delightful Indian dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Let's dive right into the ingredients. We'll need garlic, salt, green chilies, red chili powder, coriander, turmeric, cream, and of course, chicken. Now, let's get cooking. Start by creating a paste using garlic and green chilies. Saute it in oil along with all your spices. Add in some water to create a rich sauce. Once that's done, add the chicken and cook it through. Finally, mix in the cream and simmer until it thickens slightly. And voila, your delectable chicken korma is ready to be devoured. The perfect balance of spicy and creamy will leave you wanting more. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary journey. If you liked this recipe and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking!